Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the latest vacancy in finance domain for this week. So let's start the video. Friends, first vacancy is a reminder vacancy. Name of organization is THDC India Limited. Name of the post is Executive Trainee Finance, and here education qualification asked is either a CA or CMA with minimum 55% marks, and for SC and PWD candidates 50% requirement is there, and 65% marks in 10th and 12th standard is essential. So here your qualification criteria is based on your percentage of marks score, and here you cannot do rounding off, so it has to be 55% or above, then only eligible. Age limit is 30 years. Number of vacancy is 9 and place of posting is all over India. Nature of employment is permanent. You don't need any experience, and here your per month pay scale will be 50,000 to 1,60,000. Mode of application is online, and you have to apply by 27th November 2022. Friends, next vacancy is from Engineering Projects India Limited. Here the post is Assistant Manager Finance. Qualification asked is either a CA, CMA or MBA Finance with minimum 55% marks. The age limit is 32 years. Number of vacancy is 1 and place of posting will be in Meghalaya. It's a contractual post and you need to have 2 years experience, and here your per month salary will be rupees 40,000 plus applicable HRA. Mode of application is again online, and you have to apply by 29th November 2022. Friends, at Finance MCQ we are offering various courses, and there is a discount of flat rupees 100 off is going on all these courses. So if you have applied for any of this examination, then do visit Finance MCQ website and check out these courses. Since the exam date for Airport Authority and GAIL is in this month only, so definitely go and check these exam courses available on Finance MCQ, and also for PFRDA second phase examination which will be in the next month. Those students who have applied for this examination should definitely check out the courses by Finance MCQ. Next vacancy is from MSME Technology Center, Greater Noida. Here name of post is Assistant Manager Admin and Accounts. Here education qualification asked is commerce graduate or any graduate with MBA, CA, CMA or degree in law or equivalent is eligible to apply. Here age limit is 35 years. Number of vacancy is 1 and place of posting is in Noida only. Nature of employment is contractual. You need to have 6 years of experience, and package per annum is 12 lakh. Mode of application is offline, and you have to apply by 15th November 2022. Next vacancy again from the same organization but from Bengaluru branch. Here the name of post is Assistant Manager Admin and Accounts, and same education qualification as in the last vacancy. Upper age limit is 35 years. Number of vacancy is 1 and place of posting will be in Bengaluru. Nature of employment is contractual, and rest all details are same as that of last vacancy. Next vacancy is from IIM Lucknow. Name of post is Assistant, and qualification asked is either a MBA or MCA with minimum 55% or a CA, CMA or company secretary or master's degree in any discipline with 35% marks or bachelor's degree in any discipline with 55% marks, then eligible. Age limit is 5 years. Number of vacancy is 6 and place of posting is in Lucknow. It's a permanent vacancy, and here the experienced asked is for MBA, MCA, CMA, CACS 1 year, and for master's degree 3 years, and if you are applying on the basis of bachelor's degree then 5 years experience is essential. Package per annum is 6.25 lakhs. Here mode of application is online, and you have to apply by 25th November 2022, and hard copy is to be reached at their office by 9th December 2022. Next vacancy again from the same organization, that is IIM Lucknow. Name of post is Junior Assistant. Here qualification asked in bachelor's degree in any discipline 50% marks, and typing speed in English of 35 words per minute or Hindi typing speed 30 words per minute. Age limit is 30 years. Number of vacancies are 8. Place of posting is Lucknow. It's a permanent vacancy, and experience desirable is asked, that is 1 to 2 years. Even if you don't have any experience, you still can apply. Package per annum is 4 lakh. Mode of application is online. Hard copy is to be reached at their office by 9th December, and last date to apply online is 25th November. Next vacancy is from AI Engineering Services Limited. Name of post is Executive Finance. Here the qualification asked is MBA, CA or CMA or equivalent qualification with 5 years experience, or if you are a CA or CMA inter or equivalent with 7 years of experience. So age limit is 35 years. Number of vacancies are 9 and place of posting will be in Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata. It's a contractual vacancy. Here your per month salary will be 80,000. So it's a walk-in interview between 9:30 to 12 p.m. Date for Delhi interview is 14th November, Mumbai is 21st November, Kolkata it's on 20th November. So do avail this opportunity if you are from this city and want to apply for this job. Next vacancy is from Serious Fraud Investigation Office. Name of post is Assistant Director Corporate Law. Qualification asked is graduation with company secretary or bachelor's degree in law. So if you are having LLB degree or CS degree with graduation, you are eligible. Age limit is 30 years. Number of vacancies are 13. Place of posting is all over India. It's a permanent vacancy and experience, desirable experience asked is 1 year, so there is no compulsory experience asked. Package per annum is 10 lakh. You have to apply online and last date of application is 2nd December 2022. Next vacancy is from District Cooperative Central Bank Limited. Here the name of post is Staff Assistant or Clerk, domicile of Erelu district. Education qualification asked is graduation and you need to have a knowledge of English and Telugu language. Age limit is 30 years. Number of vacancy is 75 and place of posting will be in Andhra Pradesh. It's a permanent vacancy. You don't need any prior experience and you will be paid monthly salary of 26,950. Mode of application is online and last date to apply is 20th November 2022. Friends, next vacancy is from Chittoor District Cooperative Central Bank Limited. Name of post is Assistant Manager and again you need to be a domicile of Chittoor district, then only eligible. Qualification asked is graduation with 60% marks or commerce graduate with 55% marks. So if you are commerce graduate then 55 and if you are applying just other than commerce graduate then 60% marks required. Age limit is 30 years. Number of vacancy are 15. Place of posting is in Andhra Pradesh. It's a permanent vacancy, no prior experience required and per month salary will be 39,859. Mode of application is online and last date to apply is 20th November 2022. Friends, next vacancy is from Broadcast Engineering Consultants India Limited. Name of post is Senior Account Assistant, accounts payable, accounts receivable, payroll, GST for these areas. Qualification asked is BCom. For CA, Inter for Senior Accounts Assistant, GST, and age limit is 37 years. Number of vacancies are 7 and place of posting will be in Delhi, Kolkata and Chennai. It's a contractual vacancy. Experienced asked is 2 to 5 years and you will be paid per month salary of 30,000 to 35,000. Mode of application is online and last date to apply is 18th November 2022. Next vacancy is from Visakhapatnam Cooperative Bank Limited. Name of post is Probationary Officer Deputy Manager. Qualification asked is first class graduate and proficient in English and Telugu language. Upper age limit is 32 years. Number of vacancy is 30 and place of posting will be in Andhra Pradesh. It's a permanent vacancy, no prior experience asked and per month salary will be 37,000. Mode of application is online and you have to apply by 14th December 2022. Friends, next vacancy is from Center for Management Development. Name of post is Business Analyst. Here the qualification asked is either a MBA Finance or MA in Economics or integrated BBA, LLB or intermediate in CA, CS, CMA or BTech. Then you are eligible. Age limit is 30 years. Number of vacancy is 1. Place of posting is in Kerala. It's a contractual vacancy and 2-year prior experience is required. Per month salary will be 25,000 to 30,000 per month and mode of application you have to apply through email and you have to send your CV to HR of the organization by 30th November 2022. So that's all for this week, friend. I hope you find the vacancy useful. Do share with your friends and family whom you find that these vacancies might be useful and I will see you in the next week with all latest update in finance domain. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end.